here's you can spotlight speakers in Zoom, so it's very easy and simple. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step method on this. Make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's say we're in a meeting right now, and this is our meeting, and we got two people, and I'm the host. So how do you like spotlight a speaker that you can only hear them and not the other? So what you have to do is, there are two methods, but I'm gonna show you the simple way. What you have to do is right click on the one that you wanna go for the spotlight, or left click on them, and it will give you a lot of options. But like it says spotlight for everyone, just click on this and it will give you a spotlight, so you can only hear them and not others. If you got multiple peoples, it could be frustrating if you want multiple peoples and you wanna only hear one. So yeah, and if you want to remove them, just click on remove spotlight and they're removed, or you can just do it from here to spotlight forever. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can spotlight in a Zoom meeting. So I hope I helped you guys out. Peace.